Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yum, that yum, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yum, that yum, yum.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. Like, this is the first video of 2020. I know I'm late. January was basically a wash for your girl. My computer broke. I couldn't get any of my videos edited. It was awful, but we are back. The equipment is restored. We are good to go. And I couldn't think of a better way to start 2020 than a wig review. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, and it's at @just_DJ for those of you who don't, I've been posting this wig for about 2 weeks now. Y'all have been harassing me in my DMs trying to figure out what I'm rocking. So here is the review on Bobbi Boss. Keva, honey. Keva. That's what she looks like on the stock card. So we got a lot of stuff going on this month. You got Black History Month, so I'm going to be reviewing some Black-owned products. I'm so excited about that to be coming up on the channel. So in order for you to keep up with what's going on, Valentine's Day, Black History Month, everything, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, okay? And the notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I upload. Now that the particulars are out the way, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to show you guys how I styled it. I'm going to come back and give you guys my pros and cons. And you can see if you want to get the wig for yourself. Is she a banger? Is she a baddie? We will see. Make sure you guys stay tuned.
Slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm elated that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum.
So, the first, we're going to start off the year positive. I'm going to start off with the positives today, okay? So the positives to this wig is, of course, the style. You know, when you get that bomb, you just boom, 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 boom. I don't even know what sound effect that just was, but. So, of course, the pros to me is this bomb. It just hits you right where you want it. Another pro to this wig is since it is a bob style, I do not have a lot of shedding. I don't have a lot of tangles. It just moves so beautifully. Okay, so another pro to this wig is, of course, the price point. Okay, so right now it is retailing on. Okay, first of all, every time I review a wig lately, it has been sold out. I apologize. There's like a few colors left on Ebony line, but the wig is retailing right now for about $42.95, which is a pretty good price point. Another pro to me is since I got a chance to actually live in the wig and see how I can do it, I washed this wig. I did. So I rocked it for 2 weeks. I washed it and added a little flat iron to it, use a little blow dry, you know what I'm saying? And she still bounced back. So for a reusable wig, I know a lot of synthetic wigs, we like wear them and we throw them away. This is a really good reusable wig. She ain't stiff. She looks good, honey. So I wanted to make sure I let you guys know that, because to me, if I can get more than 2 weeks out of a wig, that's a good investment. So let's go ahead and get into the cons. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Why do we have to get like HD transparent lace and it be ashy as hell? For us melanin sisters, okay, honey.
When do it becomes
you know what? And I think maybe it's difficult to do a darker lace for you to lighten it up. But baby, we got to do some work. We got to do some work. As you guys can see in the clip while I styled the wig, I put foundation up under my lace and covered the whole 13x7. And I also put foundation on top to blend it because it was so ashy. Like it just needed color. In the video, I didn't use... I ended up going back and changing the foundation to, I'm gonna show you which one I used. I changed it to the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is what I ended up using in my parting space and up under my lace. This is amazing. It's a full coverage 24 hour wear foundation. I got it in the color Deep Bronze. It's 370. So this is a shade, like literally a shade darker than my winter shade. So I used this and it worked beautifully. So if you are using the same foundation as your face, I suggest going just a tad bit darker, almost like you're bronzing your lace a little bit. And that helped me blend it a lot better. Other than the ashy lace, once you get it to kind of blend and give you something, the wig is a banger. However, with that being said, this is not a beginner friendly wig. So that is a con. I know that we have a lot of beginner wig wearers and you ain't got the time, honey. You want to put it on and be fine. I get it. I get it. But to me, once I put the work in when I wanted to rewear the wig, I didn't have to do so much. So once you work it out the first time, when you put it back on, you should be good to go because you've already said it. You already did what you need to do. So that's a pro and a con, but you're going to have to work with this, okay? So another con of mine is that this boasts to be a transparent lace. And this is a glueless lace wig. Honey, you're going to have to melt the lace down on this. So this is another con for me because for somebody who's just reading this and reading the descriptions and they see, you know, other YouTubers review it and they put it out there, this is not a slap-on wig, honey. This is not... Please, by all means, you are going to have to glue. Mine is glued down. Mine is gel down. Mine is edge control down. Mine is foundation. We did some things to make this work, okay? So this wasn't a seamless, transparent transaction, okay? We actually had to make this work. So don't be fooled when you see me and you're like, oh my God, I want that wig, girl. We had to do some work. So those are my pros and cons. After evaluating everything, I think that this wig is a banger. You know, once you get her the way you want it, girl. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about Keva. Are you gonna cop it for yourselves? Is this gonna be your Valentine look, honey? I also have another Bobbi Boss wig review that I'm gonna post up here. Make sure you guys go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a beat because I got some Valentine's fire coming up for you. Black History Month stuff coming. Don't miss out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.